What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tay.
It's your girl Alexis.
And we back with another vlogging video, man. As y'all can see, you know, the wifey's brushing her teeth and things like that. And then we have this guy. Pop. No. Say hi. Say hi. Pop. Say hi.
Bye-bye.
Okay, anyways. Don't mind the, you know, sock in the background, but we're in the midst of washing clothes, but yeah, as y'all can see, you know, we are about to go to get some meat, and then we're gonna go. I need to put some air in our tire, get some meat, and then like some candles and things. So just in case this, like everything they say about this little snowstorm stuff is true. So yeah.
Hey y'all. Let us know in the comment section, have y'all already went to the stores and everything to get all the items y'all need for the preparation of this thunder snow?
Thunder snow?
That's what they called it.
Type. But yeah, no, by the time y'all see this video, like right now, it is Saturday. So by the time y'all see this video, it'll be tomorrow, which is Sunday. So hopefully, you know, by the time I see this video, I'll be inside watching the full vlog, and you know, I'll be inside safe and got y'all food, chilling, you know, heat, and hopefully the power's still on around this time y'all see this video.
Man, if the power ain't on,
yeah, cause we trying to make sure. So
we got everything charging.
Yeah, right now it is. Let me see. Right now it's 9:41, but right now it says. Can y'all see that? Like, hold on, let me see. Can y'all see that? It says 12 degrees. I don't feel like straightening it up, but like not making it good. But yeah, it's 12 degrees right now. So
yeah,
what I'm about to do is go outside and warm up the truck, and I'll see y'all in a minute. You know what I'm saying? All right, I'll be outside. Yeah, so I'm about to go outside and. Hold on, keep it loud.
He's eating. I'm
about to go outside and walk the truck.
He said bye-bye.
So when they come outside, it ain't, you know. Can you zip this up? Give me this.
When should we come out?
I'll call you.
They give me time to finish my drink.
Yeah. So yeah, and she needs her drink. She's been, you know, doing. She's been drinking a little chlorophyll, you know, to make sure she's, you know,
getting that body right.
Yeah. So in the comments, let me know if y'all be, you know, if y'all know that type of what she's doing, and if y'all doing it too. But hold on, y'all. Let's get to this car. All right, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. It's so cold right now. I don't even want to like talk, move in this month or nothing. So yeah, right now it's like 9:45. It's 12 degrees. It says feels like -2. Bro, it's supposed to snow around 3 o'clock. I got blasted. It's so cold. I just put on lotion like 20 minutes ago, and my hands is already ashy. That's why I don't wear lotion. I put on Vaseline. So if y'all know me, y'all know, hey, Vaseline it is. You feel me? But I need to go to the bank, but I don't know if my bank is open. Let me see. Man, I hope it is though. For sure. Let me see.
I'm not alright, they been watching me.
I see the wifey in the car. Pop.
Say hi. Say bye-bye. Yeah.
But yeah, we at the bank, y'all. They came out cold.
No.
You ain't cold?
Yeah.
Nah, it ain't cold now because we in the car. We need to put it on this though.
But
we need to put it right here.
We gotta get some funds.
Yeah, we gotta get some funds off the car. And I told y'all when I was in the car before they got in. You know. So, like I said, I don't know if they're gonna let me record in here, but I'll be back. Like I said,
They probably won't because it's
Yeah, I just act like I cut it off, and y'all probably will see the ceiling or whatever, but y'all probably won't hear it. But I'm just set the camera down, but I ain't gonna cut it off though. But yeah, when I come out,
they gonna think you trying to
you come in. All right, come on.
Am I coming in?
Nah, it's too cold. I don't want him. As I said, when I come out from getting done, then you go in, and then I'll take him. Whew. Yeah, man. It's so cold. Like I said, hopefully they let me record. If not, I'm gonna just put my camera down. I'm gonna try to keep it rolling though. You feel me? So.
Alright, you want to take out savings?
Yes.
How much?
40.
40? Alright. Take it for your son.
Yes, ma'am.
Read your social.
Okay, thank you. She didn't tell me to stop recording. I don't know if she sees it though.
Sign on the line.
Yes, ma'am.
Line side, survey.
I need a cut. Thank you.
There you go.
Thank you. You too. Successful. Yeah, we done, man. You see, she didn't tell me to put the camera down or nothing, but like I said, I don't think she saw me or knew I was recording, so I don't know. And then I should have told Babe to come on in here after me, because now she got two people in front of her. Hopefully they ain't taking our day, but we're gonna see. So, yeah. Man.
Look at this, this looks
The who?
lamb
Look at
chop.
this, y'all. What y'all think? Hold on.
Hold on, let me pause it.
Let me lock in. Let me focus. All right.
Lamb chop, mashed potatoes.
That's fine. Look fire. Look fire. Well, I think you need to go ahead and go in before other people start pulling up, because I think you already got two people in front of you. Hopefully they ain't taking our day, but here you go.
Why I'm taking it in there?
Cause
They
I
gonna
did.
see the same shit.
Just keep it rolling the whole time. Now you gotta hold it right there, cause it goes.
All right, y'all. So it's my turn to go in. Yeah. So now I'm going in. It's my turn to go get some money out, but I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. It's freezing. It's freezing out here, so I'm inside the building. But it's quiet.
Thank you.
It's so quiet. Exit. But I got to get stuff out of my purse.
Just seeing somebody walk out with a camera.
Yes, my husband.
Oh.
That's the second person today.
It's just for YouTube purposes. It's nothing major. Just content.
We're putting it in this account, right, Sweetie?
Yes, ma'am.
Baby, you can't have a camera in the bank.
Okay.
You'll have to go put that in your car.
Okay.
Not right now. You can't have cameras in the bank.
So, I don't know, for some reason, all right, now this balance includes at the bottom.
Yes, thank you. Have a blessed day.
You're welcome, stay up there.
All right, thank you. You too.
Down here.
I was trying to take money out of my account.
You got that card on you?
No, it didn't came in the mail.
How much do you want to take out?
40.
40. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I ain't gonna lie, y'all. So, bag is secure. Got that cash. But they was kind of rude with it. Thought I was ready to go back to my car just to put the camera up and I was the next one in line. No. But I get it was confidentiality, so I guess. Bruh, and the battery's about to die.
It
so,
is?
Yes. The battery
well.
is low.
Dang. Well, we did forget to change batteries. So, if
Bruh. They
we'll
talk,
see how we get to the next day, so because I don't want the battery to die. I want y'all to see everything. So, yeah.
they talk.
But something's in my eye, y'all. But yeah, we are currently at Save-A-Lot. We already went to Kroger and got like sides and stuff, but you think we need a basket?
It's the only basket we gon' oh no, we can get this basket.
No, we don't need them. We only getting 5 things.
Go get coffee.
Are you gonna put them in that crowd pusher?
I got it.
Watch out for the TV. But yeah, not better. So yeah, we came in Save-A-Lot. As y'all can see, we in Save-A-Lot. You know what I'm saying?
It's quiet in here.
Nah, it is quiet for sure. But yeah, the batteries are about to die. So with the cutoff,
Sorry.
yeah.
We just here to get the meat and
Yeah, we just here to get some
out.
meat and then that's it. But yeah, we just here to get pick 5, huh?
I hit my foot.
Yeah. Bro, I just walked past like 5 workers and they all just staring at me, bro. They ain't say nothing though. So what we getting?
I'm sorry.
The meat you won't get, huh? Ooh, chicken, okay. Hamburger meat for sure. Is that pick 5 though? No.
You don't say it.
No.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Are we?
They're not.
Yeah, let's say it.
Yeah, they're smaller than they're working on the big 5 now.
But yeah, we're just getting some meat and stuff. So
Yeah, chicken thighs.
I mean, we only really need like meat, like hamburger meat, like chili and stuff. So you can grab that from the value pack.
Oh yeah.
And that or chicken tenders or something.
But they don't even have the chicken thighs.
Right. They don't really have a lot of stuff, y'all. So not gonna count.
We could have got this.
Yeah, it's $9. Get that, and then the meat, the hamburger meat.
Please.
How much is it? Well, okay. Well, we better shop for some meat and stuff, and I don't want the battery to die, and this is the only food y'all get of us just getting meat. So, once we get the Dollar Tree or the dollar store, we'll bring it back up. So, let's do our thing, and you know what I'm saying, get back with y'all. So, So, yeah, y'all. We at Dollar Tree. Hopefully they got some candles. You know what I'm saying? Hold on. Let me tighten. Because the camera's coming off, so I might be spinning for a little minute. Hold on. The DJ? I ain't got that right now. That's messy. You like an auto.
Oh. Okay, well, that's not what we came here for.
Right.
I just was waiting on you.
You was what?
Waiting on you until you got here.
Well, yeah, we need candles.
Ain't I in the right place?
Oh, right here. Which candles y'all think? I'm messing with me. You know me. My favorite color, green. But I don't really know what time zone. Energize.
Yeah, we need the energy.
Nah, facts.
It smells good.
Let me see. Y'all smell it. What y'all think? Now my turn. Let me see.
It smells good though.
Yeah, it's valid. Grab it. What about those?
What?
The
tall
ones next to him.
Oh, hold on. He need to get up.
Yeah, what them smell like? Here, let me hold it and then I'll take the top off. Like Gunner.
Oh, I took the top off.
And you got just pull it.
No, you can't just pull it.
These are the one you turn?
Yeah. It smell like orange dreamsicle.
Yeah, get that. Hey y'all, if y'all know what orange cream dreamsicles, right? We only need one more.
No, we just need 2.
No, we need one more.
Alright. I can't get one more.
Okay,
I
I get it.
2 hands.
Alright, let me see y'all.
Vanilla, cashmere.
Smell it, y'all. What y'all think?
You stupid. Yeah, we
Alright.
put that in our room.
We got our 3. Alright, y'all, so we got the 3 candles. You ready?
Yeah. Oh, we don't need no batteries or nothing. I need me some candy.
Yeah, I'm about to get some Reynolds wrap, aluminum foil.
Okay.
For like the air fryer and stuff. So yeah, we got our 3 candles, y'all. Hey, I ain't gonna lie. We need air, Natalia, but no cap. I gotta get it. I can't say no cap. I gotta go get it. I gotta make sure because I'm not trying to be the husband or the person that when it's time to go to work and all that, it's time to drive. Tires messed up, so I gotta stop. But the battery is about to die. Let me check it.
Oh, you vlogging?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Hey, what's up?
You got an Instagram or anything?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
What's your Instagram? Oh, you want me to shout myself
Yeah, you can
out?
shout yourself out for sure.
Follow me, cboogie, c.boogie._. Look at it.
Yeah, it's gonna be right here at the bottom.
What's up? It's
Yeah,
my
Carter's
cousin.
World, subscribe.
What's your Instagram? I'm like, follow you.
YouTube, Carter's World. Y'all gonna see us. It's gonna be dropping tomorrow. So yeah, you definitely gonna see yourself on here tomorrow. Carter's World.
Hold on. Let me get to YouTube real quick. I ain't even got it downloaded on this phone. I'm gonna put in my notes real quick. Did you know I just got a new phone? I ain't download YouTube. What is it? Carter?
Carter's World. Yep.
Cart like CARTE.
Yep.
Carter's World.
Now that's not YouTube.
YouTube. Okay. I'm about to subscribe soon.
Sure.
And download.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Y'all be safe out here. Yeah, for sure. If y'all see us out, man, say what's up. Don't be, you know what I'm saying? Don't be no strangers. And yeah, shout out to you. You know what I'm saying? And y'all go, you know what I'm saying? Go follow her on her Instagram. But yeah, for sure. Hey, it is so cold. Where is the aluminum foil? Let me go see where my woman's at. Because, I see her. Look, she right there. I don't see the aluminum foil.
Boys over here.
Pop, you up?
Yeah, I gave
Pop.
He was heavy.
What's up, my boy?
He started talking when he saw chips.
Oh yeah, I got some candy too for you.
I got candy.
Milk duds.
Yeah.
It's
Right here.
that's 'cause I went down that way though. So
What is it? Which one is it?
Carter's World. Let me see. Hold this real quick.
Subscribe to the YouTube.
Thank you.
Work like business. Hey.
Say hi, Papa.
Let me see.
One.
About to be one next week. Can I
This is the terrible stage.
Okay, cool.
Yep, y'all got definitely subscribe.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too.
Too, thank you. So, but yeah, which one y'all want? Which one you want to get? Like
Get this 40 piece.
he's turning that up, no doubt.
He's for next.
But yeah, we just had to come in here and get some little candles and stuff. We got that one tray thing that we need just in case. Or no?
Oh, look right here.
Yep. Nah, but that comes with it though, right? No, nope. You can take it off.
Just put this other. Hold on. We don't need this if we don't even got the little candles.
But we can use the big candles.
How's the big candles gonna fit in here?
No, not on that. We don't need that. We just need. I mean, we can. Yeah, you right. You right. We don't need that.
So we don't need the rack.
They don't got the little candles.
I didn't see
I'm about
it.
to go see
We
it
can go
again.
look.
But yeah, I ain't gonna lie. The camera's about to die. So, and
I should have told her, found her Instagram.
she did. I got all it covered.
Oh,
You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna type it in. She stuffed it out. I'm gonna type it in. So yeah, shout out to you. You know what I'm saying? And hopefully make it home safe. Hopefully, if y'all seeing this, like I said earlier, y'all in the crib. But if y'all not, if y'all out while y'all looking at this or whatever, y'all not out. I mean, if y'all not in, then y'all better get in. Hopefully, y'all make it safe. But yeah, man, this camera's about to die, so we ain't about to do nothing but pay for this and then go back to the crib. So yeah, we'll see y'all when we get to the crib and show y'all everything that we got. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, see y'all in a minute, man. Yeah.
We made it back home.
As y'all can see, we back at the house. We got a little thing. Y'all probably see me with this towel because I'm about to go outside and put this on the windshield. You know, just in case when it snow and stuff, the windshield don't get a little too messed up. Yeah, frozen and stuff.
But
yeah.
we got some meat to last us.
Yeah, got little snacks. We got some some meat, stuff like that. They can't see that over there, but yeah,
We got some hamburger meat,
you know,
chicken thighs,
chili, spaghetti, chicken. We already got sides, so you know what I'm saying? If y'all need some ideas on what to make, we got some aluminum foil, cause for our air fryer, you know, things like that. When we hungry, pizza rolls and stuff. Got some tea, you know, what I'm saying? Well, as y'all probably been hearing through the vlogs, getting little sniffles, things like that. I got me a little toothbrush, man. Hey, had some candy for this guy, cause he was asleep, so we had to wake him up, cause he got a nap time and he needs his nap. So you know what I'm saying? Hey. Make sure, hold on. Yeah, we good, mud. We good, mud. You know this? Yeah. No, toothbrush. And as y'all know, you know what I'm saying, if y'all ain't see earlier in the vlog,
y'all smelled the candles with us.
Yeah, if y'all didn't, you know what I'm saying, smell them candles, man. We're gonna give y'all a little opportunity to smell these candles now, man. You know what I'm saying?
We got
candles just in case the electricity and lights go out. So my fault, Pop.
Knock you out, man.
We got soothing. This is the one that she said.
Smell like orange.
It do smell like orange dreamsicle. Smell it. You know what I'm saying? What y'all think? What y'all think? Hitting. You know what I'm saying? We got the energized green joint. Smell that. Okay. And then we got that white.
The vanilla.
The vanilla. Smell that. Smell that.
These were supposed to be for us
cooking
to
and
cook,
stuff, just in case, but we don't know.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's our pickups for the day. You know what I'm saying? It is 11:29, 11:30 really. You know what I'm saying? If y'all made it all the way to the end of this vlog, thank y'all. You know what I'm saying? For support. And shout out to you who we saw today. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all follow her on her social media. If y'all
And then if y'all don't remember, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that post notification button.
Man, y'all be safe out here, man. Y'all really be safe. It's supposed to be cold. Make sure you got everything you need. If not, do what you need to do. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, one family to y'all's. One family to y'all's. Man, stay safe out here, man.
Out.
Yes, sir. We out of here. Peace. See y'all next vlog.